Hello folks, this is Steve, AV4L. Haven't gone through here in a while. Doesn't look like they're too busy. I'm hungry, so I thought I would indulge. Now when I came out and shopped in the big box store, it was a little more crowded, but I guess everybody got what they wanted. So that one there to the right, they're going to go inside. Could I please have a #1 deluxe meal? I'd like a Coke Zero with no ice, please. No sauces, thank you. And how far away can you read the card? Oh, okay. Oh, Steve. Did you drop it? It just died. Okay. No, that's it, thank you. Alright, so I just go around. Okay. And thank you very much. Okay, folks. Her card sweep thing is dead, so I'm going to go around here and they're going to take care of She said you would take all my money here. There you go. Yes, please. All right, thank you. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Just having fun with them. Now let me get my card back in my pocket. I don't want to try not to run over your toes.
You're good. How's your day going?
Mine? Well, I went to physical therapy and then I went to see my doctor. Could have been better. In other words, it could have been better. Oh, hang on just a second. There we go. No ice, right? No ice. Okay, good. No sauces, thank you. Just hot fries, right? Hot fries. Hot fries. No, once I came through and I could tell they had been cooked twice and I couldn't eat them. That's because I'm old. I'm as old as Biden, but I'm not like him. Seriously, I'm the same age as Biden, and when I look at him, I go, I'm so sorry to see that happening. Thank you very much. You have a great smile. There you go. Okay, there we go. Let me get out of that. Let me get out of the business lane. Don't back into me. There we go. Hot fries, I can smell them. I can smell them. Okay, folks. Let me have my first fry. They're hot, they're fresh, they're great. I'm not promoting anything, I'm not recommending anything. I just thought I would have it tonight. See, baby boy out. Just out and around having fun before it gets dark and I have to be home. Saying see you in 73.